Hello and welcome to Ministry of JavaScript. In this video, we are going to be looking at the notification web API in JavaScript, right? So basically, we do have a web API of notification, and using that web API, basically we can be able to send notification inside a web application. So these kind of notification depends on two actions. The first one is to request the permission from the user. So basically you don't have to spam the user with all the notifications. You just need to send them the notification if they grant you the permission to do so. So if they grant it, then only send the notification. So inside over here index.html, I do have a button with an ID of noti button, and the text is showing obviously show notification index. Let's come over here inside the index.js const button and document.get element by ID noti button. Before that, we need to handle this part, request the permission from the user. Well, for that we do have a method which is called request permission. What it will do, it will ask the user to basically it will tell the user that this website is want to send you the notification. Do you want to allow it or not? So if the user allows it, then you can send those notifications to the user. If not, then do not, right? So inside this button, let's add an event listener. Click. Now basically, how can we know that user have allowed the permission to our notifications? Well, for that we do have notification dot permission is triple equal to granted. Well, basically this notification dot permission has three states. The first one is granted, the second one is denied, and the third one is default. Obviously, if the user has granted, then it will show you granted. If the user has denied, then it will show you denied. And if the user has not done anything to it, then it will show you the default. So if the notification dot permission is triple equal to granted, then we can do something like this: const notification equal to new notification. Hey there, right? So let's come over here. As you can see right over here that it is asking me for a permission, so let's allow it. Now if I click the show notification and if I go over here, then as you can see that it is giving me a notification with the name of hey there, but we are only getting the title over here. If you want to add the icon or a small description inside your notification, well, then you can be able to do that as well using this notification constructor method. So let me show you. Inside the second argument, well, basically it takes an object, and this object you can do something like this body, and inside the body you can pass the small description of in that notification. So basically small description will go over here, and if you want to add an icon, then you can use icon, and inside this icon value you can pass the obviously link of that icon. So I'm not going to use the icon at the moment, so let me refresh it. So now if I am refreshing the page, then it is not showing me that allow permission bar again, because we have already allowed, we have already granted the access to this application that you can send the notification. We are okay with that. Okay, so if I click over here and show notification, if I come over here, then you can see that it is showing me a small description will go over here as well. In case on the click of this notification you want to do anything like redirecting it to the another website, well, for that you can be able to do that as well using this constructor method. Well, inside this notification you can add an event listener. Notification dot add event listener. If click, then what I will do, window dot open https google.com and underscore blank. So let's show notification. If I click it, obviously it has block or pop-up. So if I unblock it, then you can see that it has redirected us to the Google Chrome website. So let me do it once again. I have clicked on the show notification. If I click over here, then as you can see that it has redirected me to the Google website. Well, this is how the notification works in website or in JavaScript. If you want to implement the web notification or app notification in JavaScript program, then you can be able to use the web API of a notification. So this is it from this video. I will see you in the next one. Have a nice day.